Hello, guys. Welcome to our afternoon live stream session. So, as usual, this is the session where we would analyze the market together and possibly take a trade. All right. Sorry if I'm a bit slow, guys. Um, I'm kind of exhausted. Okay. I've been facing my PC on the chart since morning. So, we are currently on the Euro USD. All right. This is Euro USD, and I'm going to make my analysis from here. All right. So, guys, and if you're just joining us for the first time, don't worry. I'm still going to show you how you can place positions on your BTC Dana trading application, as I've promised on the Telegram session. Okay. So let me just finish with this because the market is currently moving. So I want to see if we have an opportunity. All right. So after this, I'm going to show you how you can actually set or take a trade on your BTC Dana trading application. All right. Okay. So sorry about that, guys. I was trying to bring up my BTC Dana trading application. All right. Okay. So after this analysis now, this market is going to take this out. All right. We have liquidity here that the market is going to take out. It's going to use this area as an inducement area. Okay. So sellers are going to be here waiting for this market to give them a sell opportunity. Okay. So if this market goes above this line, if it goes above here, then the market is going to move from this area. Okay. Yes. And this is going to happen. Okay. But if it doesn't go above that and the market decides to go from here, then no worries, because we have an order block that is getting mitigated right now. Okay. The fair value gap got mitigated previously. The order block is getting mitigated right now. So these are the two scenarios that, could play out. Yes. So our trend line is also confirming this, that the market could go down from this area. Okay. Okay. So we got this. Right. Okay. So now let me quickly show you guys how you can place trade on the BtcDana trading application before we continue with our analysis. Okay. Let me quickly go back and show you that. So I'm still waiting for my screen to come up. Then I'll show you using the BtcDana app itself. All right. So I'm still waiting for my screen to come up. Okay. All right. All right. So let me quickly share my screen with you guys. All right. So I hope you can see my screen. Okay. So um, this is where this is the BtcDana home screen. Okay, the home page. So now um, the first thing we'll be doing here is let me quickly show you how you can use the demo account. Okay, in case you want to, place an exhibition trade. Okay, maybe you want to analyze the market and place trade yourself. So right now that you are just a beginner, I will advise you to use the demo. Okay, always if you fund your account with at least $10 or $15 to join my premium group, anytime I drop signal, you can place the trade on your real account. Okay, but if you want to try anything out yourself, if you want to analyze any market and then maybe take it take the trade on your account, you can use demo for that. Okay, so use that one like a training session. Okay, so you see right now I click on my demo account and it's telling me to activate. All right, activate my demo account is not yet activated. So if I click here right now, you see it's going to get activated. Okay, activation successful. Okay, so continue with simulated trading. So whatever I do here is going to be a simulation. Okay, and you see it's even introducing you to everything that you need to know already. Choose the volume you wish to trade. So these are the volumes. Okay, any amount you want to use, and then you click either buy or sell. All right, and as a beginner I'll advise you to stick to using sorry, let's close this. Okay, I will advise you to use the smallest volume. So now, if you want to place any trade, so please, if you are just joining us for the first time, it's very important you listen to me. Okay, so this is the BtcDana front page. Okay, now if you have any trade, if you see any trade, all right, maybe I say buy or sell gold XAUUSD, that is the gold. So if you are not seeing it here, in fact, I won't even advise you to look at it here. So you can just come to the market. You see we have home, we have markets. Look below, right? Sorry guys, just a minute. Okay, so let's continue. All right, so look at this. You see we have home, we have markets, we have trading, direction, and profile. Yes. So click on the market and you see where it brought me to. So it's currently on the popular instruments. Okay. These are the popular instruments that most BTC Dana customers trade. Okay. So if the instrument you want to trade is not listed here, you can just come to this search and search for whatever instrument you want to trade. Okay. See Euro USD, and you see it brought out Euro USD for me. So even if I search for BTC, see I have BTCs. Okay, right? So now let's say we want to trade. Okay, let's say we want to trade XAU USD. That is good. XAU USD gold. So now all I have to do is just click on it. Okay, and you see it brought me to the XAU USD chart. So now you can either buy here or sell. All right. And on this buy or sell, we have another option inside it. Okay. So let me show you that. So let's say we want to buy now. We click on the buy and you see we have position here. Then we have pending order. So pending order is another option I was talking about earlier. So if you click on pending order here, pending order means market that is going to be executed later. Okay, you want to buy later. You know, we right now we want to buy, so that means you want this market to buy later. Maybe there's a price point. Okay, so if you're on my premium group, if you are joining my premium group today, this is very important because most of my trades are sell limit or buy limit. Okay, so whenever I say buy limit, whenever I have a buy limit or a sell limit, what I'm telling you to do is come to the chart, come to the app this way, then come to pending order. Okay, so go to the instrument we are trading. Okay, it might be XAU USD, it can be Euro USD, it can be GBP, whatever it is, just search for it. Okay, so once you search for it and you are on the chart this way, then go to, if it's a buy signal, click on buy. If it's a sell signal, click on sell. Okay, so if it's a sell signal, click on sell. Then if it's a pending order, like a sell limit or buy limit, if it's a sell limit, you click on sell and then you choose pending order. Okay, so now that you are in the pending order, I'm going to prove there will be a price point. Okay, so a price where you are supposed to enter, where you want the market to trigger from. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to show you that on our trading chart later. Okay, so if you are on my premium group and I'm the one giving out the signal, all you have to do is just enter the price. Okay, there will be a sell limit price. So enter the price and then set your take profit and stop loss. Okay, so once you are done, click on sell. All right, but if it's not, if the signal is not a sell limit, just come to position, set your stop loss and your take profit, then sell. Okay, so that is how to open a position on the BtcDana trading application. I hope you guys are following. I hope you understand everything that I've explained. Okay, so let's continue with our session. All right, So let's go back to my trading screen. Yes. So you see the market is currently reversing from here, which is also a good thing. So like I said earlier, we could take our entry from here or from the other side. Yes, we can sell from here. You know, I said if we get the opportunity, we can just sell from here. So if the opportunity presents itself, we can sell from there, from here. But guys, please wait. Um, Let me see if I'll get a confirmation for a sale. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's just leave it here and see what happens next. So this is also so this is also a trade and analysis that I've made earlier. Just a moment, guys. Yeah. All right. So let's continue. Okay. So this is an analysis I've done previously, and the market is still respecting it. Okay. So my next entry, um, the next area where I think this market is going to go down from is this area, my fair value gap area. All right. Okay. Okay. So this is where I think the market would come to before going down. All right. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what the 4-hour is currently doing. Okay. So you see the 4-hour time frame is currently making a move to the upside. Yes. So the 4-hour time frame is doing this. Okay. So the 4-hour time frame gave this downtrend. You see, the 4-hour time frame gave this downtrend, and then we had a break of this downtrend. So I think this market is just coming to make a retracement here, and then to continue its movement to the downside. All right. So let's delete this. Let's delete all of this. All right. Okay. So let's look for another market to analyze. All right. All right. Okay. So I see somebody suggesting, okay, thanks for the suggestion, Linux. GBP USD, yes? All right. So let's do GBP USD. You see what I said yesterday? Yesterday I said I was waiting for the market to move to this area for me to sell, but the market never got there. But you see, I told you, I said the market was going to continue to sell, and the market continued selling. All right. So right now, I think the market. Um. So right now, the market is. Let me see. So we have this fair value gap around this area, which I think the market could come back to before continuing its downtrend movement. Okay. And then we have this also, but the market has gone below this area. So this is mitigated, right? Got mitigated around this area. So I'm waiting for this market to actually make a move to this area for me to continue to ride the trend to the downside. Okay. Because you see the market rejected, sorry, it came below, um, it went below this area, but until the market comes above this, okay, until the market goes above this, let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the 2-hour time frame. So you see the overall trend is a downtrend, right? This is the 2 hours time frame, and the market has been making a move to the downside from this area. Okay. So I think this market is going to continue to go down. All right. Okay. Uh, Oyelade Emmanuel. To join the premium group, all you have to do is you see that banner, deposit with benefit. That banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Yes, click on that banner. Okay. It will take you to where you can fund the account. Just click on it. Click on this banner. Okay. The deposit with benefit banner. All right. Okay. Emmanuel, you want us to analyze the BTC USDT. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the suggestion. All right. So let me quickly analyze that and see what the market is up to. Yes. So the market broke out of this area, made a retracement, and went all the way to the upside. So right now, this is where we are. This is where the market currently is. The market is still making a move to the upside. So let's use this tool. Okay. Let me change that. Yes. I like this better, yes. So our main focus now is on this uptrend. So let's zoom out on that. And let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see what is happening. Let's see what is going on. Okay. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have this little liquidity. Okay. We have that liquidity. Then we have this internal change of character. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to see if we can get a better view on this. Yes. So you see what the market did there. So right now, I think this market would react to this. We have a fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap that is not yet mitigated. You see, it's not yet mitigated because I think this market will continue to go down. So this is where predicting that the market will go down from. Okay. Taufik Bola, welcome to the live stream session. Yes, don't worry. I'm going to put you through. Okay? All you have to do is just listen to this session. Okay? And since you are just joining us for the first time, we have a premium group where I drop signal every day. Okay? So you can join my premium group and let's make money together. So if you join my premium group, you get signals every day. Okay? You get at least 3 signals per day. So just imagine how much you could make with 3 signals per day. You can. You again. You want me to explain fair value gap and other block? All right, no problem. I'll explain that. Okay, fair value gap is very easy. All right, anywhere we have a gap is a fair value gap, and this is the kind of gap we are talking about. Look at this. This is the kind of gap we are talking about. This is a gap from this candle to this candle. It's a gap. So this is a fair value gap. Okay, the market will always react to fair value gaps. So now let me show you a secret. Anytime a fair value gap is created, you can take a trade from the fair value gap. So this is from this candle. Let me move this away. Let me delete that. So from this candle, okay, this candle with a big shadow and a very tiny body, okay, to this candle, this green candle. All right, we have this gap in the middle of this black candle. Okay, so the market will always go to fill a candle that has a gap. Okay, so look at from here to this place. Do you see any gap? Every gap was filled up. Okay, even when this gap was created, look at how the market came back to fill it up. Okay, and then it continued to go down. So anytime there's a gap this way, the market will always come to fill it. All right. So, and that is what happened here. So right now I'm waiting for this market to make a move to this area and then continue to sell down. Okay. So that is fair value gap. And then a candle before the fair value gap is our order block. So right now we have a fair value gap here, and this candle is our order block, this green candle. Okay, this candle here is our order block. So this was created, and then it created this fair value gap before the market continued to go down. So we have a gap, we have another block. All right. So Yekan, I hope you get the scope now. All right. So if you guys have any other suggestion, any market you want me to analyze, please let me know. Okay. Before then, excuse me for a moment. Just a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. All right, so let's continue with our analysis. Okay, so this is the analysis on BTC USDT. Okay, all right. So let's look at other market we can analyze. So we have Ethereum USDT here. Okay, I think I analyzed this in the morning. Yeah, let's analyze another market. Let's analyze, let's see what is going on the GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD just got to our entry. Let's see if it's going to respect that. You see, this is what the scalpers, this is what they do. Okay, whenever they get an opportunity this way, they just stay here, they set stop loss and take profit, and then they will just target 1-to-1. Okay, 1:1, and then they will go to 1 minute to start looking at the trade. You see, so this is how scalpers, this is how they scalp, but we are not scalpers, right? So let's just see how this goes. All right. So let's go back to Euro USD. Okay. All right. Oh, wow. This was a free signal I dropped yesterday, and the market TP'd. Yes, beautiful. And this is about 2-to-1. No drawback, no drawdown. The market just went straight to profit. This is the kind of trade we want to get, isn't it? So let's analyze Euro GBP. Let's analyze Euro GBP. So on Euro GBP, we have this movement. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Yes, good. So the market has already broken out of our resistance area, turning our resistance to support. I hope you guys remember that. Whenever we have a breakout, the resistance turn support. Yes? Okay. So right now, this market is going to continue to go up. But before that, it's going to retrace to the downside. So this retracement is going to be from here, from this area to this area. Yes. So because there's a fair value gap there. Yes, there's a fair value gap there, which I think the market is going to retrace to before it continues to buy to the upside. All right. Euro JPY. We did this before and the market went down. So the market has, you know, come back to our area of resistance. Okay, so we have another block here that I think the market would react to. Why is because we have this fair value gap, and then the fair value gap didn't get mitigated. And right now we have this other block, and the market is there. So I think the market is going to respect that, and the market will go down. All right. I think the market is going to respect that. The market is making a move already. You see, the market didn't go below this line. Okay, and this is where we have our other block, the last candle that created the fair value gap, and we have the fair value gap here, and the fair value gap never got mitigated. So right now the market is currently on this other block. So whatever happened, let me go to the 15-minute time frame. Yes, I like this. So what I want to see now is I want to see what is going to happen in the next 11 minutes. So if this give us a rejection candle, then we are going to take our trade. Okay. It's remaining just 10 minutes. So if we get a rejection candle on Euro JPY, then we take a sell position. All right. We take a sell position. So let's see what is going on the Euro NZD pair. Don't worry, we are going to go back to our Euro JPY. But let's just see what is going on here. So if you look closely, you see every candle here has already been mitigated from the previous moves. Okay. So here got mitigated. Here also we have this fair value gap, and the market mitigated the fair value gap. Yes. So you see what the market did there. Then we had this change of this break of structure to the downside. Right? We had this break of structure. And right now the market is currently here. And we have this other block here. We have this other block. And the market is currently reacting to the other block. Let's go to the 2 hours to see what it's doing, what the market is currently doing. Okay. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, so it was previously mitigated. So let's wait and see what the market is going to be doing here. So we have so many liquidity here, and then we have this liquidity grab. Um, so if the market is going to reverse here from here, this is actually a good entry for the market. Okay. So let's stay on the lower time frame. Let's go to the 5 minutes. To the minute. Okay. So on the 3 minutes, we have this move. You see how the market is actually respecting all of these, yes? You see, we have this liquidity grab. Liquidity was grabbed there. Or we can use this if we don't want to use that. Okay, we can actually use this. Liquidity grab here. We have liquidities that got taken out. Okay. The market is currently reacting to the downside. So we have our change of character just here. Right? We have our change of character there. And the market came here. This, you see, this is where we have our fair value gap. And you see how this mitigated it, right? So that is mitigated and the market is still going down. So let's go to the 5 minute time frame to see if we can get an entry here. Okay. I think we can actually sell this. But if we are going to sell, I think we should wait for the 5 minute change of character to happen. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. That was network doing its thing. So, Vincent Lawson, if you want to join our premium group, all you have to do is just click on the deposit with benefit banner in the chat room. Okay. Just look at that banner. A banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Okay, it's in the chat room. So click on that banner and it will take you to where you can fund your account. All right. Okay. So let's continue before because we are almost at the end of our session, right? Okay. So Euro JPY is still doing a thing, right? So just 2 minutes more to the end of the 30-minute candle. I want to see if we are going to get a proper rejection for us to take a sell position. All right. So before the end of the 2 minutes, let's go back. I think we have another trade we were actually looking at here. Okay. Right. So guys, please make sure to join our premium group because that is where you get most of it. Okay. That is where you would get good signals. Our 1 hour session here is not enough to get all the signals we need. Right? So this market is still making a move to my fair value gap, and this is where my fair value gap is. That is where I want the market to trigger from. So let's quickly go back to Euro JPY. Is it Euro JPY that we were looking at, or Euro? Yes, it's Euro JPY. No. Okay, yes, it's Euro JPY. We're looking at it on the 30-minute time frame, yes? Okay, so just few seconds to the close of the candle. We don't have a proper rejection candle. Okay, we don't have a proper rejection. So I'm just going to wait on the next candle. My premium members, don't worry. Once I get um, the signal, I'm going to send it to the group. Okay. All right. So you see, it ended and the candle didn't give us a proper rejection. All right. It didn't give us a proper rejection. So we are not before we actually take. So let's go back to Euro. Okay. Okay, so this is still making a move. If I get a confirmation here, I'm going to send it to my premium members. So premium members, watch out for this signal, all right? Um, Okay. GBPCAD. So I got market mitigating this other block. Okay. So GBPCAD is currently here. Let's just wait and see if this market is going to reverse from here. Then we take a sell opportunity. Okay. Wow. This is beautiful. Honestly. I think I should give this to my premium members. Okay. So guys, we've come to the end of our live session for this afternoon. Tomorrow is another day. Okay. And I'm likely go live on the Telegram this evening. So guys, please make sure to join the Telegram live. Let's have a proper discussion there. Okay. If there's anything, any suggestions you guys have in mind, anything you want me to add to our afternoon session, let me know on that session. All right. So guys, I'll see you on that session. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.